An out-of-body experience, OBE, is a phenomenon where an individual feels as though their consciousness has separated from their physical body, allowing them to perceive the world from a vantage point outside of it. It's a fascinating and often transformative experience that has intrigued many researchers and spiritual seekers. One of the most notable figures in the study of OBEs is Robert Monroe, a pioneer in the field of consciousness exploration. Monroe's work, particularly his books Journeys Out of the Body, Far Journeys, and Ultimate Journey, has provided valuable insights into the nature of OBEs. He founded the Monroe Institute, a research center focused on exploring expanded states of consciousness, including OBEs. Let's delve into the details of OBEs, as explained by Robert Monroe and other sources. OBEs can occur spontaneously or be induced through various practices, such as meditation, deep relaxation, or lucid dreaming. Monroe developed a method called HemiSync, which involves using binaural beats to synchronize brain hemispheres and facilitate altered states of consciousness, including OBEs. During an OBE, individuals often describe a sensation of floating or moving away from their physical body. They might perceive their body from a distance or even look down upon it from above. This separation can be both exhilarating and disorienting. The exploration of out-of-body experiences, OBEs, presents a fascinating blend of the mystical and the scientific. These profound encounters with altered states of consciousness challenge our fundamental understanding of the mind, the nature of reality, and the limits of human perception. Robert Monroe, a key figure in the field of consciousness exploration, has shed light on these experiences through his pioneering work, laying the foundation for both spiritual seekers and scientific researchers to delve into the mysteries of OBEs. While the phenomenon of OBEs has been documented throughout human history in various cultures and traditions, it was Monroe who popularized the study of these experiences in the modern era. His personal accounts, rigorous research, and the development of the HemiSync technique have contributed to a deeper understanding of OBEs and their transformative effects on individuals. One of the most intriguing aspects of OBEs is the sensation of separation from the physical body. As individuals recount floating above, beside, or even beyond their corporeal form, questions arise about the nature of consciousness, the self, and the intricate connection between mind and body. Monroe's descriptions of this separation evoke a sense of wonder and curiosity. Robert Monroe said, "Suddenly, I was out. Out of my physical body, out of time and space, out of the very earth itself." This fundamental departure from the confines of the physical realm raises profound questions about the nature of existence. As experiencers move freely in a non-physical state, they often describe the world they encounter as vivid and tangible, yet distinct from the physical plane. The ability to traverse landscapes, pass through walls, or interact with other entities in this ethereal domain challenges our conventional understanding of space and matter. Robert Monroe, "I had no doubt I was traveling independently of my physical body, seeing the landscape as it was, three-dimensional, color, sound, and I seemed to have all my physical senses intact." This fundamental departure from the confines of the physical realm raises profound questions about the nature of existence. As experiencers move freely in a non-physical state, they often describe the world they encounter as vivid and tangible, yet distinct from the physical plane. The ability to traverse landscapes, pass through walls, or interact with other entities in this ethereal domain challenges our conventional understanding of space and matter. Robert Monroe, "I had no doubt I was traveling independently of my physical body, seeing the landscape as it was, three-dimensional, color, sound, and I seemed to have all my physical senses intact." A recurring theme in OBE accounts is the interaction with entities beyond the physical world. These encounters range from guides offering insights to encounters with deceased loved ones or encounters with seemingly non-physical beings. The significance of these interactions extends beyond mere curiosity. They often impart deep wisdom and provoke contemplation on the nature of reality and the interconnectedness of all things. Robert Monroe, "He was a living being, yet I could see through him, through his body, as if he were transparent. At the same time, I could see the surroundings through him as if he were a clear window." OBEs can be life-changing experiences, leading to a broader perspective on consciousness, life, and the nature of reality. Many experiencers report a reduced fear of death, a greater sense of interconnectedness, and a deeper understanding of the purpose of life. The transformational effects of OBEs cannot be understated. Experiencers frequently report a shift in their perspective on life, death, and the nature of consciousness itself. This newfound understanding often leads to a reduced fear of mortality, a greater appreciation for the interconnectedness of all existence, and a more profound sense of purpose. Robert Monroe said, out-of-body experiences expand one's knowledge and viewpoint beyond the physical dimension. It becomes obvious that there is more to reality than meets the eye. While OBEs offer profound insights into the nature of consciousness, they also pose intriguing questions about the relationship between mind, body, and the fabric of reality. Monroe's work has inspired both spiritual seekers and scientific researchers to explore the boundaries of human consciousness. The duality of OBEs, being both a subject of spiritual exploration and scientific inquiry, has sparked a multifaceted discourse. While some seek to unravel the metaphysical aspects of these experiences, others approach them from a neurological, psychological, or even parapsychological perspective. Monroe's work, and the legacy of the Monroe Institute, has played a pivotal role in fostering this interdisciplinary dialogue, encouraging individuals from various fields to collaborate in unraveling the enigma of OBEs. Robert Monroe says about this, somewhere in the mysteries of consciousness, there is an answer to every question about ourselves that anyone ever dared to ask. In conclusion, the exploration of out-of-body experiences, as illuminated by Robert Monroe's contributions, encompasses a profound journey into the unknown. This phenomenon challenges our understanding of consciousness, pushes the boundaries of our perception, and invites us to contemplate the interconnected fabric of reality. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of OBEs, we embark on a quest that bridges the spiritual and the scientific, leading us toward a deeper comprehension of the human experience and the universe in which we reside.